rugged, tough, game-changing. That's Toyota Tacoma. It's a name that has dominated the mid-sized truck market for the last 18 years, and now it's reborn for a fourth generation. Built to showcase Toyota's latest technologies, powertrains, and chassis design, this all-new 2024 Tacoma is ready to take on all challengers. With Toyota's legendary off-road heritage, performance runs deep in Tacoma's DNA. That means that, like always, it's the obvious choice when going off the beaten path. But for 2024, Tacoma's performance story takes a big leap forward with its incredible new powertrains. Case in point, an all-new I-Force engine. A turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder that puts out up to 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. And in addition to the 8-speed automatic transmission, drivers can even pair this engine to a 6-speed manual, which returns on select grades for purists that want to manage that power themselves. But the story gets even better with Tacoma's first ever electrified powertrain. A powerful hybrid that boasts impressive performance and great fuel economy. Based on the turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder and coupled with an electric motor, this new I-Force Max hybrid system produces 326 horsepower and an incredible 465 pound-feet of torque, nearly double that of the outgoing engine. With power like this, Tacoma needs a serious platform to match. Like the latest Tundra and Sequoia, Tacoma uses the body-on-frame TNGA-F architecture, which features Dejima welded blanks that enhance structural rigidity. This fully boxed frame improves Tacoma's ride and handling, while its springs have been positioned inboard for better articulation, further enhancing the truck's capability. To improve off-road performance and ride comfort, Tacoma offers an available multi-link rear suspension that provides better isolation and ride quality on all surfaces. And on that note, Tacoma now offers two max performance off-road grades, the legendary TRD Pro and the all-new Trail Hunter. Like always, TRD Pro is built for serious off-road fun. In addition to being 3 inches wider than its predecessor, Tacoma TRD Pro steps things up for 2024 with features like its standard isodynamic performance front seats, 3-way adjustable Fox internal bypass shocks, crawl control, an updated multi-terrain select system that works in both 4-low and 4-high, and a new front stabilizer bar disconnect, which cleverly decouples the front wheels to help traverse more extreme obstacles. On the other hand, Trail Hunter is ready right out of the box for overlanding, a type of off-roading where the journey is the focal point. Along with similar features found on TRD Pro, Tacoma Trail Hunter includes an Old Man Emu suspension, a heavy-duty ARB steel rear bumper with recovery points, tons of underbody protection, a high-clearance trail exhaust, rock rails, a high-mount air intake, and an ARB sports bar, all of which directly contribute to its overlanding capabilities. Plus, an available pre-wired aux switch DC panel connected right to the fuse box makes it easy to install accessories. Both TRD Pro and Trail Hunter feature 18-inch wheels wrapped in 33-inch tires, as well as a lifted suspension that's 1 inch higher in the front and 0.5 inches higher in the rear for impressive approach, departure, and breakover angles. In addition, Tacoma's off-road grades include rear differential lock capability and available 17-inch front and rear disc brakes. Meanwhile, TRD Off-Road remains a fixture in Tacoma's lineup, featuring Bilstein monotube remote reservoir shocks for enhanced capability off the beaten path. Tacoma's off-road-oriented model line expands with the TRD Pre-Runner, which returns for the 4th generation after nearly a decade of absence. This 2-wheel drive off-roader is available exclusively in extra cab configuration and comes with a lifted front suspension, a rear locking differential, and beefier BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. When it comes to on-road performance, Tacoma also delivers. TRD Sport includes sport-tuned shocks for an agile feel on the street, while limited, the only grade available with full-time four-wheel drive, attributes its sublime ride comfort partly to its adaptive variable suspension, which constantly adapts to changing road conditions. Inside, Tacoma complements its capabilities with comfort and premium tech. This starts with a new interior featuring improved front seats with 6 or 8-way adjustment and heating and ventilation functionality on select trims. Additionally, the cabin's low horizontal access makes it exceptionally roomy, all while maintaining good outward visibility. Tacoma's interior story continues with tech features like the standard 7-inch multi-information display or the available 12.3-inch multi-information display. Toyota's latest audio multimedia platform can also be found here, served up through either an 8-inch or available 14-inch touchscreen, the latter of which also includes an integrated USB-C port for charging capability. The USB story continues with dual USB-C ports for front passengers and rear USB charging points for riders in the rear, allowing all occupants to keep their devices juiced when disconnecting from civilization. This platform includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music, Google Maps, and Google Assistant. Plus, the available 10-speaker JBL premium audio system with subwoofer and amplifier ensures adventure playlists are played with stunning clarity. Tacoma also has an available JBL Flex portable speaker, allowing owners to take their tunes with them while engaging in outdoor activities. And when it comes to driving convenience, Tacoma can be equipped with Toyota's first 3D panoramic view monitor, as well as multi-terrain monitor to help navigate potential hazards and obstacles. Similarly, the blind spot monitor system extends its detection zone when a trailer is attached, ensuring seamless and easy towing. And speaking of towing, the trailer reverse assist and an available wireless trailer camera with e-mirror support the driver by automatically controlling steering inputs when backing up a trailer. That's not all. Even out back, a 2400-watt power outlet and a power up and down tailgate add additional convenience for owners. Finally, the available Qi-compatible wireless charging has a rubber cover to prevent devices from sliding around when off-roading or overlanding. Tacoma's performance is backed up by its handsomely rugged looks, inspired by Toyota's Baja race trucks. With a high lift, slim body, big tires, and an optimized cabin, Tacoma has a distinct personality, all while conveying a family identity. And like before, variety is the name of the game, featuring 8 grades, a 5 or 6 foot bed, and 2 cab styles, including the new 2-door extra cab. Furthering this customizability is Tacoma's wide range of color choices. That means new color options for both interior and exterior. In addition to standard LED lighting across the lineup, a first for Tacoma, off-road focused models like Trail Hunter can be distinguished by exterior design features like a high-clearance front bumper, an LED light bar, rock rails, and rigid fog lights. For work use, Tacoma's extra cab configuration adds extra practicality with useful features like a specially designed fold-down front passenger seat, which can be turned into a workspace or additional storage. Plus, a lockable back panel provides even more space for accessories. And when it comes to accessories, Tacoma's customizable nature is further bolstered by the newly announced Associated Accessory Products program, which includes partners like ARB, whose products already come standard on Tacoma Trail Hunter. The Associated Accessory Products ecosystem will continue to evolve with offerings like roof racks, lighting, and more. Through this program, owners can equip their trucks exactly the way they want them, straight from their local Toyota dealer. Top-class safety and driver assistance technologies round out Tacoma's tech story. All grades come standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. which includes features like the pre-collision system, which is designed to mitigate or prevent collisions with pedestrians, vehicles, and cyclists. Furthermore, TSS 3.0 includes technologies like dynamic radar cruise control and proactive driving assist, aiding the driver in stop-and-go traffic by providing additional support via steering, braking and acceleration assist, and distance control. There's no questioning Tacoma's legendary capability. Thanks to its new foundations, upgraded powertrains, and clever new tech features, this midsize truck is ready for work and play. Plus, with its expansive lineup of over 20 unique configurations between its 2 cabs, 2 beds, and 3 powertrain combinations, there's a Tacoma for every need and lifestyle. And that also means the hybrid grades support Toyota's efforts to move toward Beyond Zero, its vision for a carbon-neutral future and beyond. All considered, Tacoma is set to shake up the mid-size truck segment once again and show why Toyota is a leader in on- and off-road performance. Learn more about the 2024 Tacoma at toyota.com/Tacoma.